5 signs. She's slowly replacing you without saying a word. Sometimes they don't tell you it's over. They just start acting like you're no longer there, while someone else takes your place silently. Here are 5 clear signs she's slowly replacing you, without saying a word. 1. Her replies become colder, but she's online more than ever. She used to send long, excited messages. Now it's just harms and aren't okay, and yet she's always online, laughing in someone else's inbox. That silence? It's intentional. 2. She's always too busy when you want time, but free for everyone else. Your calls go unanswered. Your texts are ignored, but her stories show her out with friends glowing. She's not busy, just busy avoiding you. 3. She stops getting jealous, stops asking questions. Once, she cared who you talked to. Now nothing. No curiosity, no emotion. That's not trust. That's emotional replacement. She's checked out already. 4. She starts acting, talking, and dressing differently. You hear new slang, see her liking new music, dressing in a new vibe. It's not self-growth, it's imitation. She's syncing herself with someone new. Distance doesn't upset her anymore, it brings her peace. She used to fight to fix things. Now she says, do whatever you want. That's not maturity. It's that your presence has become irrelevant. She's already replaced you mentally. Now here's something to think about. We often get emotionally played and feel powerless. But what if I told you you could take back that control? Not just in relationships, but even in the online world. That's why I suggest you check out this powerful video. How you can make AI animation video like me and earn thousands of dollars. It reveals tools and strategies that are being used behind your back, just like the emotions. The link's in the pinned comment. Watch it, it might flip the game in your favor.